Right, here we are at Leak Canyon for the first time. What is the date today, Dad?
The 30th, May 30th.
Oh my gosh. Do you know what day it is also?
Oh, Sunday?
It is Sunday. You got it right, 2 for 2.
Saturday?
First time.
It's Sunday.
Sunday.
Rhea, you're wrong. Senior moment for you. Dad, that was a young moment for you. You got the date and the day right. That's amazing. Yes. Here we are. Very beautiful. Lots of people out here to hike. Sorry, subscribers, that you didn't get to watch the hour-long drive up and time lapse, but you didn't miss anything. All right, it's beautiful. Let's take the scenic chair ride up. Here we are at the Leak Canyon entryway sign. Beautiful log sign. Love it. So the chairlift straight ahead is not moving, but the one on the left is. Pets must be on a leash. Oh, there's a chairlift right down there too. So have kind of an upper and lower different sections here. This is like the central hub. Very cool. That's a nice dog. Here we are approaching the chairlift. Scenic chair rides. $8 for adults. This beautiful view. And there's 2 yurts up here. Jen's first chairlift ride. This is the way to do it when there's not like snow and ice and
God,
stuff.
look it down. Oh my God, it's scary. It's so scary right now. Oh my God, I'm so panicking. Oh my God.
Just breathe. Just breathe. You were so not prepared for this. Oh, I feel that's because they're stopping to let somebody off. That's normal. Or somebody fell, or I don't know.
Shut up. Oh my.
It's totally safe. I've ridden so many of these.
Yeah, okay.
It's totally safe.
All right.
You're not gonna fall off.
No, it's nice.
They keep
it's
it
just
level.
a very initial. Look at my feet.
What about your feet? They're just hanging off the edge here. There's some people coming by here. I've actually never, believe it or not, I've actually never gone down on a chairlift. I've only ever gone up because you ski down. You ski down. I've never actually like sat on it riding down.
Cool.
Yeah.
I think you would definitely hit something though.
This is fun.
Cool, huh? Good experience. Yeah.
Wow, we're in the treetops. Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah, when it's filled with snow, it's gonna be beautiful.
You have to be here to really experience it. Oh my God. I'm like freaking out right now.
Sometimes when they're skiing and the chairlift actually runs faster when they're skiing, this is really on like slow cruise mode. It goes faster and then somebody will fall up at the top and then they have to stop. They have to stop the chairlift and then the thing like rocks back and forth.
No.
Yeah. But I've never seen anyone fall off. I've never heard of anyone falling off actually.
It's kind of scary.
Yeah.
It's an experience. It's quite an experience. Oh my God.
Stop freaking out.
Oh my God. Okay, like.
Yeah, Leak Canyon is very impressive.
Oh my God, look.
Make a sun. How about I put a sun?
Okay, here's Rhea and Grandpa coming around
Go up that park trail by the restaurant. Take you right in.
on the way down.
The camera
Closer.
is going.
Yep.
How are we doing, guys? What's your legs?
Having fun.
Perfect.
Okay.
Having a good flight?
Exciting. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
awesome. We just moved to Vegas like a couple months ago. Hawaii.
Oh, wow.
Never been up here. So
Culture shock, huh?
this is awesome. Yeah.
Great to get away from the desert.
It's so close too.
Right? This is your backyard, bud.
It's awesome.
Have a great day and welcome.
Thank you. Nice guy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, look at this. I have never gone down. That's where we drove from back there. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Yeah. Woohoo.
Oh my god.
I'm so glad it is not windy outside.
It's so pretty. Look at that. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, beautiful. Oh, I like the ride down.
You like the ride down? Is
Yeah.
that easier? I feel more nervous on the ride
No,
down.
I like the ride down
Feels
because
higher,
you have so much
but you got more to see.
view, you
Yeah.
know?
Yes, you have a lot of view.
What's down there?
I would guess, if I had to guess, that is like a sledding area. I saw that on the map. It's like a little pond. Probably, you know, definitely freezes in the winter, I would think, and it's maybe where they have their sledding. The trail sign down there, high card, blue run.
This is the highest one.
Yeah, I think this is the highest one. I think. Yeah, I get a great view of the parking lot.
Oh my god, it's just so epic.
Nature trail at the canyon. Oh, that's a downhill ski run right there. This is a black diamond if I remember on the trail map.
It's a black diamond?
Yeah, maybe because the upper section's real steep.
I wonder if this could be a trail.
It might be. Beautiful.
I wonder if they have to redo the wood chips.
Yeah, these wood chips look pretty fresh. They might have just laid them down for their summer. The guy said in the lodge that they have all the trails marked for their mountain biking.
Really?
But they got to get them. They got to get the machinery up here and the equipment up here to cut the trails, and then
What they don't have
get the
usually
rigs for the bikes on the chairlifts.
Oh,
Then you'll.
so they don't offer that yet, but they
Yeah,
will
they don't
soon.
offer that, but they're planning to do it. Yeah.
Wow.
So you get downhill mountain biking. You bring your mountain bike, hook it on the chairlift,
Cool.
get on, go to the top, and ride down.
Oh, look at that.
Big branch. Yeah. That's nice.